This is our first Pneumatics Lab, running off a power supply to a push button switch, which will actuate a solenoid valve through a 5-2 directional control valve. And we're having our input air line coming through to a pressure control, which will then go into this manifold. The manifold will go to the input of the 5-2 directional control valve. We're using the 4 as the output. The 2 we're having as a return so that our air will go back into the manifold, because the primary is set as a pass-through 1 to 2. So then when the solenoid activates, it will activate our actuator, our single actuator. So now we'll just press the push button. That's it.